Hello, good morning and welcome. I'm outside Verona Airport and I'm on my second leg of my travels. I got here yesterday evening. I didn't book a hotel. I just stayed at the airport. So I didn't get much sleep and I'm sure it's going to catch up with me sometime later on. I'm supposed to board a EasyJet flight from Verona Airport to Gatwick. And from there, I'm going to travel on towards Horsham. So join me and let's see what the day has in store for us. Because I only have cabin bags, I actually don't need to go to the check-in desks. I can head straight up to the boarding gates.
Over here. Your borders, Russia.
So we've arrived at Gatwick Airport. I'm gonna check the trains. So I managed to get a train ticket and I'm on my way to Horsham. So I'm on the train to Horsham and I should get there in no time. So arriving at Horsham, that's my final destination. So I'm gonna have to get off the train and find my hotel.
Points to get into the train and the flat.
I wanted to check into the hotel and then I realized I've got an hour to kill before I can actually do so. So I came down this park, which I remembered from last year. So I'm gonna sit here for a little while and in about half an hour or so I might head over to the hotel and see if it's possible to check in. Meantime, I'm gonna enjoy the nice and warm day sitting in the shade. Hi and good morning. This is the room I've checked in yesterday. I'm gonna stay here, well, all in all it was gonna be 3 days. Well, since I've checked in yesterday, I'm gonna stay another 2 nights here. I paid 225 English pound. And for the stay, so it's 75 pounds per night. Even though there is lots of cars going past during the daytime, actually nighttime it was really quiet. I actually slept very well.
I think of all the times we lay looking up out at the stars. Nervous of the way you make me feel. You're setting fire to my heart. Before you, oh, what was that? I don't recognize, now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched.
I'm gonna leave the hotel now, gonna have a little walk around Horsham. There is actually another reason why I'm here. It has something to do with one of my other hobbies. So I don't have much time because I've got to go and meet up with all the other guys. So it's gonna be a short walk around Horsham. I might even have some more time one of the other days. But let's see.